The Trump administration has made a bold move, asking the Supreme Court to allow it to end deportation protections for hundreds of thousands of Venezuelans currently living in the United States. But here's where it gets controversial. This request comes amid ongoing legal battles, and it raises important questions about the future of temporary protected status, TPS, and the rights of immigrants. On Friday, U.S. Solicitor General D. John Sauer petitioned the Supreme Court to put on hold a lower court's ruling that blocked the government from terminating TPS for Venezuelan nationals. This legal protection, which shields certain immigrants from deportation, is now at the center of a heated dispute as the case continues to unfold in the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals and potentially back before the Supreme Court. Earlier this month, Judge Edward Chen of the U.S. District Court for the Northern District of California declared that the Trump administration's attempt to end TPS for Venezuelans and Haitians was unlawful. Despite this ruling, the Ninth Circuit Court has so far refused to pause the lower court's decision, leaving the protections in place for now. Interestingly, back in May, the Supreme Court had allowed the Trump administration to proceed with ending TPS for Venezuelans, but that decision only addressed a preliminary order from Judge Chen. The full case, including a comprehensive review of the legal arguments, was decided just recently. To put this into perspective, approximately 300,000 Venezuelans currently benefit from TPS in the U.S. This program is designed to protect individuals from countries experiencing severe crises, such as war, natural disasters, or other life-threatening emergencies, making it unsafe for them to return home. When the administration announced its intention to end TPS for Venezuelans, it encouraged them to self-deport, arguing that TPS was never intended to be a permanent solution for migrants to stay indefinitely in the U.S. While Judge Chen also ruled against the administration's efforts to terminate TPS for Haitian nationals, the current Supreme Court request focuses solely on Venezuelans. The main plaintiff in this case is the National TPS Alliance, an organization led by TPS recipients advocating for the continuation of these protections. The Trump administration's push to end TPS is not limited to Venezuela. On the same day as this Supreme Court filing, the Department of Homeland Security announced it would also terminate deportation protections for thousands of Syrians residing in the U.S., signaling a broader effort to roll back these humanitarian safeguards. This situation raises critical questions. Should TPS be a temporary measure strictly for emergencies? Or has it evolved into a de facto path to longer-term residency? And what responsibilities does the U.S. have toward people who have built lives here under these protections? These are the debates that will continue to unfold in courtrooms and public discourse alike. What do you think? Is ending TPS for Venezuelans and others a necessary step to uphold immigration laws? Or does it unfairly jeopardize the safety and stability